Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog at Very Special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So taking care right now, I'm around at home. So this is my house, and I said, God, thank you so much. So anyway, today's videos are very special, and I want to transfer some stones from one point to another. That being said yesterday, and today's videos officially we open the toilet officially today. So anyway, guys, maybe something that are missing to my toilets I will buy later, but for now I want to lease that toilet. My family can use it. So that's how my house looks like. Muita, so guys, I'm requesting some cup from my brother. I want to take tea and all stuff, and then we get outside. Oh, thank you so much, guys, for clicking my videos by showing me some love. So I'm just over here to update you what's going on. That's my brother. So the job continues. Oh. Yeah, say hello. Come on, hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my brother. So today, technically, there's some work that is going on. So I supposed to put tea. Oh no, milk. These are tea, I think so. Milk tea. And technically, that's how my house looks like. We have clothes there. We have table. Man, I say God thank you, because that's my house, man. I feel so good, you know. Wow. So technically I'm supposed to be outside, but I have today a cup of tea here. Look, that's milk tea. Wow. Guys, comment on the comment section. How do you see nowadays how Hello Baby looks like? Comment, guys. I want to know in the comment section. Wow. So we said the year of 2024 goodbye. You're heading to 2025. By God's grace, we'll see the year how it starts, you know. Guys, it's crazy. I'm taking tea while I'm standing, but anyway, let me sit a little bit, and then we continue with our vlog for today. Imagine, guys, at least nowadays I live better life, good life, and for me, I'm just take care of my family here and there. You have been there watching my video, guys, and you've been supporting me by watching my videos. You comment, you advise me, and I take your advice serious, guys, you know. Wow. So I want to return it here. If I came back, I have these flowers here. I have a small TV. Although for me, I invest on the wall there, so no power here. And technically, maybe one day I will buy. But for now, I'm just outside working hard to make sure that my mom's dream house will be captured soon. So over there, and technically, when I build the toilet, I learned something new. You must collect slowly material, and then when the time reach, if you want to build, one after all. Wow. So let's go, guys. Outside, imagine. So our compound is shining. Wow. Let's go. I'm outside like this. Anyway, let me close it here. Wow. Oh. No, I wake up like crazy. I didn't make the call. So I take my bike outside, and I'm taking car right now. I'm waiting my mom to come at home, and I want to raise that toilet to be used. Like today, we open it officially, and the reason why being, when you start a structure, if you are building, for example, the government of Kenya or the place you are, the government to officially open maybe the huge construction, maybe they build hospital, they constructing road, they must, when they finish, they must be open that project officially. And for me, I finished that structure, and it took me couple of months, and I say God thank you. Less than 7 months, yeah, I think no, less than 5 months, and I finish up. So I said, God, thank you for the fact that I made it, or the step that I made it. So today I suppose to launch it officially. Guys, I hope you are doing good. And that's my baby there. So technically, I get on the comment section when I bought my sister's bicycle. Hello baby, why don't you wait to surprise your sister as a Christmas gift? Oh, we have the beautiful calf here. Calf, you know. So anyway, I can't wait that time to reach. Maybe when it's Christmas time, I will surprise my sister with maybe different gifts. But I do it, you know. As long as, guys, my sister got a good friend, and that friend told me, hello baby, I want to do your sister this and this. For me, I took action immediately. So that is it. Maybe Christmas time, I will surprise my sister maybe with clothes, and I feel like I could surprise in general both of my family. If I could get money soon, I do so. So today we transfer these stones from here. So this work we have been starting early in the morning. You see? Say hello.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby's official channel. So guys, this is the job that we have woke up to do this morning. That is it, guys. So as you can see, it is a very hard work, but we are trying.
Yeah, guys, the good thing about me, when I have some work, guys, I look for my neighbors to work for me. I paid him or her, so at least to put something on table. I don't want maybe to be everything I want to done alone, and at least and my fam or my neighbor, they are maybe feeling maybe
that is how,
hungry.
guys, we are carrying this stone from
Yes. So a village, you must be strong, guys. Even me, I was experienced like 1.5 years doing this job, and technically this is the stones from my mom's dream house, and yeah. But I'm not gonna say that. Yeah.
That
So,
is it, guys.
These are the stones from my mom's dream house, and I feel like maybe probably when I get money, I will add maybe 1 tipper, 2 tippers, or 1 tipper, slowly, guys. So all that you see here, Nguchande, Nakujam, I'm telling him I'm coming right now, guys. Ooh, it's sunny here. So all that you see here, for me, guys, to be honest, when I get money, I keep pushing buying stones. So like we do more effort as we can, and when God say yes, nobody can say no. So I'm just over here, and that is it, guys. So we do it, the part which can do it. Oh, there. So far so good. We made it some steps at least. So these balance stones were remaining here. When the time reach, they will scoop and put on wheelbarrow. Take it there. Kwanza mukabe hapa janja, mukayemole mukia manene hatiri muri murahira. Amna makena na mahehe hombole buke hwa. Yes, you kill everything. Yeah, guys. So hey,
what you want is a work to be done well.
Yes, imagine, guys, we have a lot of stones here. Imagine from, I think from here up the other side. From where I'm standing, guys, look up that side.
Even that one we can dig them.
No, I don't want maybe to dig the underground stones. We have the stones here, guys. Okay, introduce yourself, bro.
So guys, I'm Rioba_Mosh, guys. To my YouTube channel, you can go and check on my YouTube channel by searching Rioba_Mosh. You can watch there. There's amazing content there.
Okay.
Yeah. You can push me up.
Yes, guys, go and subscribe him. Rioba_Mosh.
Yeah.
Rioba is
R_I_O_B_A.
And then
Underscore, then O_M_O_S_H.
you have double O?
Double O.
Mosh.
Yes.
Alright, guys, we do that. Maybe step by step. If you can check him, you subscribe. Yeah. This is my neighbor. This is our neighbor, and his home is there, and with my brother. So better I give them some work to do. Bangko kanyera kanyemura kapango musimu. Mu. Mutafuga kara ka haraiga. Wai muke waso kara keriga. Ta tuna magnu kanyera kan. Wow. Let me show you how my mom do some work. She was working hard, but nowadays, at least the work is to look maybe something to give the cow. So that cow is rotating. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
This is my mom. So, Mama, today, I'm going to border town. So, and then we come to open that toilet officially. Now, kuja tufungue hizo choo officially. Yeah, that's my mom. So, we want to give the cow. Say hello, my sister.
Hello.
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 I'll look something good for you soon. Don't worry, I see maybe you're thinking about Christmas stuff. I know. Look, so my mom, they want to give this stuff to eat. Wow. That's how we graze our cow here. Slowly, slowly. Hi. Tumai Roma ndi hara. Tumechone hara. Mohi. Labda na uche kung'ombe hano. Kukimorikyo alingiga humole hai. Mura itagambira. Kana kiore. Mura wataka nguru sia. The son of my neighbor riding a bicycle. Hey mom. Guys, my mom, she feels so excited because I do something good for her. Buying stones and okay. Labda nerache ntahano. Nerai mauski morikyo nerachiga. Basi nkagiri yonsu. Nerachiga ayiga alingeiga hane gotama hano. Sasa atacha sa amata yirumandi hano. Yani ayiga aikara alingeiga. Ukuru kunde gotacha haro konde hano. Mama, how do you see huge transformation? Guys, things that you see that on TV, I'm doing live, no fake. You see this? That's my mom. That's my sister. This is the stones here. Why not? Why not me, God? Whoa! Uchunge magoro. Hey, Shanzi. Pavona antemke marekera pia hayo amaki. Ngotarambe kamera ndeke. Tuimere nyuma yani hano. Songa hano baba iga. Mire iga. Mbe. You go. Tatu stenge mama. So guys, want to throw this stone. There. Well guys, you want maybe stones, one stone is there, another stone is there. You don't mind. Wow. Songa.
Oh, yeah.
Right, guys. I think I never should do it. I can't wait. It's like this. Oh my God. Anyway, guys, so I was going around to correct them. Wow. So let's go. So this is the time. Wow. Let me go this way. Wow. That's my grandma home. And I'm so blessed. I have my grandma. I have my grandma. What a blessed day. What a blessed family. And I think that is it. So technically, I'm heading to Border Town. And from Border Town, we come officially. We open the toilets. Or we open the structure. That house will be fit here. Here. I think here will be fit 3-bedroom. And it's depend the plan that maybe my engineer will be produced, or the plan which I come with. And guys, try to imagine. Oh, mom, eh? Wow, there's bird sitting here. Tangu hapo ai kinini kirangi tumira kwa kirangi tikikera mahara kugisa kikera tuma kugisa kihari kini kani kinini kwengi tumira kwa kibate ko kerangi kani kinini usiro ko
ya tumanga ne ko kakane bitali bibi
like kinini kiwapwa. There's some bird run from our on the top of the roof of the house. Okay, Roach. Maybe once you have avocado trees here and avocado fruits. Yeah, Angaroko. That's my baby. So guys, anyway, guys, I'm telling you, I'm the one who come with that plan for the toilet. Imagine, I sketch a drawing and I give my mason, do like this, that way. That's toilet that you see, guys. In case you're new here, let me show you. I'm the one who sketch the toilet, how it looks like, and technically, guys, imagine. What about maybe when I'm engineer of the house? I could do it perfectly. I'm the one who design everything, how it looks like, the front face, this one and everything. Even I told my mason, imagine guys, I told my mason, you just do this style or decoration, and then I will paint here, I will do rough cast, everything. I told him I'll put here tiles, and one day I would brought that mason here. I told him, look, the toilet that we built, I'm the one who give the plan. Why not? Why not? God, why not me? So today we want to done cleaning officially, and we open every door. The toilet will be used right now. Wow. Imagine guys, to be honest, if I could brought my mason who built this toilet, you will see, he can agree. I'm the one who designed and everything. I'm telling you guys. Wow. Let's go, guys. I can't wait to see my mom's reaction. Official to use this toilet. So right now, no more struggling, maybe, taking shower on local bathroom there. So we try to change on every single moment. We try to change our background, our home background. And that is it. Yeah. I hear my motor. That's my mom. So guys, the plan which I came for my mom's dream house, guys, you will see. So right now, guys, technically no more hide, like no more struggling using local bathroom. So imagine, guys, I changed this stuff, this bathroom locally, to the modern one right there that you see. Imagine. God is good all the time. And if you believe in God, everything will be possible. Nothing can stop you. And I don't mind for the haters. So, you know, for the haters, they try to pull you down. But for me, I'm just focused with my own thing. And I'm Floyd vibe. All the time, positive vibe. Wow. Guys, after Border Town, I'm going to look something for my neighbor and my brother. So when he finish up, I'll give him something, maybe to put something on the table and maybe to make enjoyment, you know. And that is it. So through me, I create some job opportunity to my village. Why not me, guys? Why not? Imagine. Wow. Oh, guys, we have a chicken here. Hey, Daddy. Hey. Oh guys, so finally right now I'm heading to Border Town, and technically I'm on this half jacket here. So this is how things they are here. And actually, guys, today my hair looks shaggy, and I want to see, wow, what I'm supposed to do for them. Wow. Maybe every day, guys, I was coming to Border Town, and I'm showing you this every day. But this is what it is, guys. Let's go. I'm outside with my baby right now. The other side. Super amazing, guys. Calm day. Wow. It's a calm day. And this Border Town, I'm telling you. Wow. People on suit, guys. You see that one there? People on suits. And I did the police post here. Wow. Let's go. Business everywhere. Business everywhere. I'm telling you. Wow. And the good thing about me, guys, I'm sure you how I'm Floyd vibe. Wow. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Guys, I came to touch my hair right now here. So I'm on this barber shop, and actually, guys, look, I want to, oh. Haki mtu ataanguka hapo. Yes guys, that's how we do this brother. Hey, take it. I want to retouch them guys and then go to launch that project. Guys, over here we have cabbage and we have my mom. They want to cook eggs right now guys over here. So after that we need everybody to eat and then we came to say officially we opened. I'm telling you guys, it's a serious matter. We today we wanna open our project officially. That way. They're crushing eggs. They don't want to cook eggs right now. So here they have sufuria and put cooking oil. Yeah. So guys, after this, more amazing video is coming. And this is our small kitchen. Although we are so grateful what we have, and wow, look, they use Timony pipe to light fires. Wait. That's how my African mom prepared. Oh guys. Oh guys, so let's go. So that being said, we officially opened that toilet. Wow, that's my hairstyle. Eh? So I think we shall launch it with my mom. Okay, mama, let's go. Okay, I'm waiting my mom, guys. And honestly, guys, that's only Sisongo. We want to launch it officially. I'm back to my normal style of the hair. Well, guys, so the sun is going that way. And actually, guys, for my premiere again, today we'll miss the premiere. But I want to say sorry for this, and it's because of time. So I was working here and there, and actually guys, I said, you know what, let's do it. It depends. You will get premiere or not, guys. But if you miss today, tomorrow you will get it. And guys, thank you so much. So today I want to release this toilet officially. So from tomorrow my family will use it right now. Oh guys, so let's go. Here we have my sister. Hey, she had a nice hair right now. Okay, mama, go. Come on, man. So we want to officially to release this toilet. And mama, from maybe kesho we can that up. Hey, guys, I'm telling my mama by tomorrow we put your sandals, guys. So mama, you have a this is your washroom, so you can use it as you can. And I know you are clean and you have clean heart, so right now it's just okay. So this is yours. Each one ibafu ni yako. Guys, I'm telling my mama this washroom is meant for you. Right, that's number one. And mama, maybe every day if you take a shower here, you make sure that after maybe visiting the washroom, you take shower or you take bath, you clean the wall with a clean towel. So like that, so to maintain good hygiene. Yes, ma'am. You are so lucky to born the firstborn. Hello, baby here. And guys, room number 2 is the toilet. And mama, this is your toilet. No one will take it. You can use as you can. If maybe you have a visitor, your friends, they can use it. But right now, technically, this is yours, mom. and talk. You can share with my sister, no problem, mama. Hey, so inside here, mama, inside here, that's right. So inside here, mama, after you finish visiting the toilet, you pour water, unamwaga maji, and then you clean by that brush. You put the toilet cleaner. You rub them by using that small brush, and then you pour water. So, and then mama have the spray. Every toilet have the spray. After that, you spray the toilet like, so it has good smell, right? Ukimaliza choo, you spray like inside here. And I'm trying to look something that I can mounting on the wall, so you can place the tissue paper. Right now you can do it local. You can come with tissue paper, you use it for meanwhile. So when I get those stuff for mounting on the wall, putting tissue paper, you can buy it when I get it. But right now, guys, we officially open this structure. So mama, by tomorrow you can use it. Already have everything. We have detergent inside the house. And guys, if you don't believe, go and watch my previous video. You will see, guys. You will see. You will see, you will see, you will see. So mama, come along with me. And every maybe daytime, you will open it. During at night, unafunga. You lock your toilet. And then you must have your own keys for bathroom, toilet, and whatever. So here, mbana hamkufagia hapa mama?
Kifuri niko kile.
Ma.
Kifuri niko kile.
So, mama, this is my toilet. And actually, mom, this is the toilet. I myself and my brother. So you and my sister will use other side. So me and my brother, we use this toilet. I think we can use only 2 people. But that one is public one. So or else you can use that one. And me and my brother will use this one. So because we born by the same mother, by the same dad, why not? So acha kushika hapo. So me, guys, to be honest, I supposed to give mama this one. But honestly, my mama don't like this sitting toilet. They need the squatting one. And for me, we Floyd vibe. The way my mama chose this one, I don't know. I don't know. Unaonaje video ya jana? Kitu jana nilifanya.
Nzuri.
Yeah, guys, I'm asking my mom yesterday's videos, how did you see the progress? And I'm telling my mama,
thank you.
Soon we'll build your dream house.
Thank you.
Whether it's a small one, it depends. But I'm just believing God. At least mama will build for you a good house. For me, I'm just okay with the muddy house. In any way, I'm just okay. And I want to wipe you tears of joy from maybe from the low background. I put it to the next level. It's by God's grace. And for me, I believe in God. Things will be happen soon, as it's happened on this structure. So like I feel so shameless. My mama, when she go back to the bush, maybe taking shower, bathing, and we have the local toilet there, because at large you have a huge family. So sometime when you wake up in the morning and want to go to the toilet, you find people are there inside, and others are waiting outside. So you're supposed maybe to hide somewhere else, but it's a kind of a shameless. So for now, at least I made a huge role for my family. And mama, you can visit your washroom as you can. There is a time, guys, to be honest, I want to take shower and I was going somewhere else. So it's an emergency. So I supposed to rush taking shower, but we have the local bathroom, which although I have been showing you in the morning on my video. And technically, guys, I supposed to take shower immediately. And then I found people inside taking shower. And I hide on the maze. I do rush and I finish everything, my own stuff. and all in well. So things come. Maybe today struggle like this, tomorrow, and maybe in a few years I will have my visitor maybe coming around to my home. We didn't have a good maybe washroom and toilet, and I opened my mind. I start from nothing to something. But guys, you've been there by supporting me, and up to when I started, and right now I finish up, and the only thing my mama say is thank you so much. And guys, I think by tomorrow I'll teach my sister how to ride a bicycle. So I bought for her a bicycle, and mom, big shout out to you. May God bless you abundantly. And for the rest of my subscriber, also may God bless you abundantly, because you take full time by watching my videos to make sure that Hello Baby is chasing the dream here and there to make sure their family it's on the next level, guys. You're the one who made it possible. Everything that you see here, guys, you've been supporting me a lot. Imagine, guys, and even I built this toilet. People ask me, is that your house that you built? Man, I'm telling you, first priority, if you buy a land and you want to build a house, first thing that you want to do is to construct a toilet, and then you have the borehole. Those two things are very common, and in our village here, we have those people, those men and women who goes around to search or to look every house, every home. Without have a toilet, you are in trouble. Without have a bathroom, you are in trouble. So for now, I think my family will be okay. I think those people were being called health villagers. They were being sent by the government health to go and search every village, whether it has a nice toilet, or it's not maybe nice, whether it has toilet and bathroom. The one that we use recently, just okay. But it's one hole, and at large, you have so many people in our family. At my grandma, we have grandchildren, we have my aunt, we have my uncle, we have sister to my dad, brother to my dad, we have my cousin. Everybody's there, and they depend on that one hole. So it's like crazy thing, but right now we manage to make it, mama. Tomorrow I'll teach you how to ride your bicycle. I want to see you how to ride. We have an empty field there. So I thank my grandma. He left free field. You can do anything. If I have our ceremony party here, I can use that one. And if I have the visitor come with the vehicle, they can park. We have some small field there, which is empty. So by tomorrow, I'll take the bicycle there with my sister. I show her how to ride. Like, I would spend the whole day to make sure that my sister knows how to ride. What's a good day, guys? So, Mama, I think this one will be okay. And this way, maybe when it's raining time, this way, the water will running, passing here, go to other side because of the pipe. So, Mama, this bathroom will use I and my brother. So this one here, although it's a crazy thing, we left the paint here. Look, but tomorrow at the same time when I finish teaching my sister how to ride a bicycle, I will use this paint to repaint again, like the blue one. I want to finish it because when it stay here, it will go bad. So man, thank you so much. Right now in our community, we have a good washroom, a good toilet, and it's by God's grace, by God's glory, we magnified to build this toilet. And I said, thank you so much. And even I think my mama, they want to sweep because you can sweep here. So by tomorrow, Mama, I will bring the mason because this door have some problem, so it's touching the tiles. Because when you are uplifting the tiles, it's touched. Wow. Yeah, you see how my mom make hygiene. And the fact thing I like my mom, how she was doing things here and there. So in our village here, we have a hard-working mom, and I recognize him. he taught us how to do things here and there. So maybe we use the knowledge from my mom. Yeah. So you see, guys, no joke. My mom no jokes with this structure, but it's a good thing, guys. So technically, guys, I think today we'll miss this video for the premiere, but it's because of time. So anyway, we officially release this toilet. By tomorrow they will start using. So guys, thank you so much. My God bless you abundantly. If maybe I do a wrong mistake, you can advise me, guys. You've been there because of me, and I myself am here because of you. So if I made a wrong mistake on this sideway, just advise me. Hello baby, you do this and this, blah blah blah, ABCD. And then thank you, guys. We shall meet on the next video. It's so late here. I want to say, guys, bye bye, guys. I love you. We shall meet on tomorrow's video, guys. Bye.